All right, guys, let's quickly go over the time and price template for the 28th, um, which was yesterday. And if you have not watched the video tutorial on the time and price template, make sure you do that because it'll help you understand what it is that I'm talking about when I give these. So anyway, this is midnight over here, right? And we moved up to this major one. We took a nice short there for that collapse. And in a video that I made about that, um, when we broke through this major two right here with no problem, in the video that I made earlier, I alluded to the fact that we knew that was going to happen because of what happened over here. You see that when this thing shot up, it just basically sliced right through that major two, and then came down and came one tick from testing it, and then started to move higher. But the point of that is that because it sliced through so quickly through that major two is now suspect, and this was just icing on the cake that it was suspect. So when we came back over here to this major two again, I wasn't touching it. I mean, we had a little move down to the swing level to the tick, came back up, but I wasn't touching anything off of that particular level, even though we had a really nice trade here, but this line was suspect, so I wasn't touching that. But anyway, in the tutorial, I talk about the best way to start using these lines is when you hit them, you come down and you retest them. So this was another excellent shorting opportunity right here. And what happened here with, once again, the cyan major, which actually ended up being the same level, ended up being the major and the swing. So it had even more credence. But you came down, you broke through it, like I talk about in the video. You rallied up, came back down and tested it, and then took off. So 3 excellent opportunities today in the ES. I mean, obviously, a lot of you guys in the States aren't going to be up at this time of the morning. The only reason I'm up at this time of the morning is because I trade the Boone, and the Boone starts trading at 2 a.m. But that's, in a nutshell, I mean, we came, like I said, this was suspect the whole day because of this action and this action. So just another little trick of the nuances of these lines that you need to pay attention to. So that's basically the recap of the day. I mean, you can take a look and see how these lines worked all day long, and they will work very well. And I'm not just saying that because I invented them. All right, later.